I've been looking for kitchen dinette sets, and basically I couldn't find anything, and the prices were ridiculous. So I was like, hey girl, you can do this again. You can reupholster those chairs. So I did exactly that. I went to Joann's Fabric, found some beautiful fabric, and got some foam. And guess what? They had a good sale. They had at least 60% off. So I bought it, and I took my chairs apart. And the hardest part was taking out those staples. It took me a while. But you see that foam? It started to disintegrate. So I took all of that off the chairs, added new fabric, added more foam, and stapled the fabric back to the chairs, which wasn't hard at all once I got everything removed. Hey girl, good job, you did it. But anyway, I saved at least $700 by doing this project myself. It took about 10 hours, but hey, all in all, I'm done, and I saved over $700.